Galing, no? How do you guys like the video?
Nice.
Fun, no? And I actually thought about that kanina, so I had a smile on my face, just pulling back the joy in service. Because I really think that joy is contagious. And you know, if you're talking to someone about GK and it looks so serious, and you look so serious, and it's so sad, and it becomes depressing, it's very difficult to engage. But if you make it fun, if you make it something that's exciting for them, and so much of GK is that, and that's why I also wanted to start with Bayani Challenge. Because it's a very non-traditional way of talking about why you love the country, teaching them dance, diba? So this afternoon, the reason, really, I have to be honest, that the selfish reason why we do these activities at this ungodly hour is because normally, if you do anything else, we will be doing Bayani Challenge all afternoon long because everyone's going to be sleepy, right? And most likely not listening. So what we do as facilitators is make it the busiest time so that nobody is sleeping. So what we're going to do for this afternoon, instead of sleeping and Bayani Challenge all afternoon long, is we're going to use our, what do we call that section? Our innovation station. And as you can see, very purposefully, there are no chairs. But if you want to use chairs, you have to make an effort to actually get a chair and put it there. But we're not going to make it easy for you para magising ka ng konti. Diba? Or, because you don't want to make the effort, then you can just stand, and it's actually better collaboration that way. It's also better for your back, by the way. So this afternoon, what we're going to do is try to practice the fun theory and try to ideate. So, this afternoon, we have a job to do. And first, we're going to start with a brainstorming challenge, a 1-minute challenge. You know, there is a scientific study that tells us that kids, when you ask them at a younger age, can ideate quickly. And that number keeps going down the more that we age. It's really sad, no? And they say it's because, number one, as you get older, you overthink. You're more careful. You're afraid of getting judged. Does it sound familiar? It sounds like Tito Francis's activity kanina, di ba? Where, as you said, you actually already know the answer, but you're just pretending like you're still thinking, right? And that's kind of what takes the fun out of it. So what we're gonna try to do, so that we get off to a good start, is we're going to do a 1-minute challenge. And whoever wins this game gets a prize that I don't know yet what it is. But there is. You can just trust. Either that, or if we don't, we can come up to you so that you can give us a prize to give to the person that wins. Right? Because I'm not really sure if we have a prize. So, we are going to do a 1-minute challenge. We need a timer on the screen. And what we're going to do is, the person has to come up with as many ideas as possible in 1 minute. I'll give you a sample. I will give you the challenge, and then I'll give you 1 minute, and you have to give us the wildest, craziest answers that you can think of in 1 minute. Now, GKUSA is honestly like off the charts in terms of engagement today, guys. So I know that we're going to beat the survey, right? The survey says most adults cannot come up with 30 ideas in 1 minute daw. Sad, no? You cannot come up with 30 ideas in 1 minute? But you are GKUSA, so I know you can do better. You can come up with 60 ideas in 1 minute, 1 second each, diba? So the whole goal is to say what is the first thing that comes to mind. Don't feel like you're judged. The crazier, the better. You get extra points for crazy, right? So of course, we will do this challenge with the craziest among us. Is there a volunteer? I feel like I know who the craziest person is. But... Oh, si Les daw yung magta-timer. Any volunteers? We're gonna do 3 rounds of this, and we're gonna see how we're gonna get better with the challenge, right? Anyone? Anyone from the Verdant Grove? Oh, yeah. Kuha tayo ng volunteer per farm.
Oh, sige.
From the Verdant Grove Farm, can you please come up here? Verdant Grove Farm? Sino? Oh, 1 minute challenge, 1 minute na, wala pang, oh. Okay, isip na kayo ng, i-volunteer. Yes, Jinky? Okay. sabi ko, yes, Jinky? Yung sagot niya, kuya. Galing. Diba? Okay, come on. No, just you. This is like yes. But if he runs out of ideas, because we are walang iwanan, the team may shout out. Give an example. For example, describe Chicago with words that start with the letter C.
May ganon.
Start now. Ang dami ng code, guys. Cloudy. Crazy. Calm. Craving.
Okay, got it.
Kuku. Maraming baliw. Ano ba? There are no crazy answers, guys. Come on. And concrete.
Okay, now everybody knows how great your mind is.
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Okay. So,
Let's go.
okay.
1 minute.
Alright.
1 minute.
Yeah, and then of course the rest of the team may support because we are walang iwanan. Are you
Oh,
ready?
teammates.
Are you ready for the brainstorm challenge?
Write
tingnan
down,
mo sila. May
write
mga
down.
notebook pa, why not? Oh.
O yan. We're
Okay.
going to support you.
Name creatures in the sea that start with S.
Yes?
Challenge starts now.
Seahorse, shark, swim. Scallop. Hindi mo picture yung sa lubog siya.
What? Remember, crazy.
Crazy. Sea urchin. Sea monster.
30 seconds sasabihan ko.
Sirena is a good answer. Creative. Wala namang rule, diba? Chokoy. Nice one.
Scallion.
SpongeBob. Go. Crazy. That's right. Starfish. Sardine. Sardinas.
Swordfish.
Oh. Suicidal lover. Yes. Yeah.
Seaworm. Huh? Squirrel.
Squirrel. Right. Okay. I didn't really count, but it didn't seem like a lot.
Oh, yeah.
No, that's less than 30.
Let's do it again.
Oh. Also guys, the whole point is to think of like crazy wild answers because there are no limits, right? I like Sirena. I like suicide lover. Yes.
Practice lang,
Oh,
diba?
scuba diver. Sea urchin, lahat ng sea. Seaweed. Oh, I like SpongeBob, who lives in a pineapple under the sea. Oy, kunyari, hindi nila kilala si SpongeBob. Diba? Pero kulang sa crazy ideas. Hindi naman to science lesson, guys. Hindi siya paramihan ng hayop. Paramihan siya ng crazy. No? Okay? Sige, let's get a volunteer from Success. Yeah, para sumakses tayo, guys.
Okay, team.
May timer na,
Kaya kasali ka na.
I also need someone to count pala. Oh,
Hindi, count kasagot.
Okay.
Oh, grabe, competitive.
Ay, bakit ko lang? Ba't
Dahil mo lang pa eh. Kaya nga nagpabilang na ako daw. Pero less than 30 yun.
Hindi mo rin less than what?
Ang konti.
Ang resibo eh.
Ay, walang resibo. Okay.
Isa lang ang sasagot.
Isa lang, pero
Coaching lang,
pwedeng mag-support yung mga iba. Diba?
Ay, teka, nag-google si Kuya Bong eh.
Oh.
All languages are allowed.
Places in the Philippines. Remember ha? Wala namang mga rules. Hindi kailangan city, di ba? Basta places.
Hindi sasabihin niya, time starts now.
Basta wild, crazy ideas. Places in the Philippines.
Cancel.
Oh, that start with the letter I.
Ay!
Ilocos.
Ilalim ng tulay.
Ilalim ng tulay. Ilog.
Sa isdaan.
Isdaan. Okay, sige na, parang baliw ko. Maganda yung mga sagot. Ilocos Norte. Ihilan. Correct. Ano ba?
Sa ihawan.
Ihawan. Inasal.
Inasal is food.
Oh, lugar.